Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you exactly how to transfer USDT or Tether from your SafePal wallet to Binance. Whether you're looking to trade, store, or just move your funds around, this is an easy-to-follow guide that will walk you through each step. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about the two platforms we'll be using, SafePal and Binance. SafePal is a popular hardware and software wallet for storing your crypto securely, while Binance is one of the world's leading crypto exchanges. In this video, we're going to move USDT from SafePal to Binance, and I'll make sure to guide you through the entire process with lots of details so you don't miss a thing. Alright, let's begin by opening your SafePal wallet app. Make sure you have your wallet unlocked. You can do this with your PIN, fingerprint, or Face ID, depending on your settings. Once you're inside, go to the Assets section where you'll see a list of all the cryptocurrencies you have stored. Find USDT in your list of assets and tap on it. Now that we're inside SafePal and we can see our USDT balance, the next thing we need to do is get the USDT deposit address from Binance. This is where we'll send the funds. To do that, open your Binance account either on the app or website. Once you're logged in, go to your wallet by tapping or clicking on the Wallet tab. Next, find the Deposit button. It's usually at the top of the screen or in the menu. Tap on that, and when the deposit options show up, search for USDT. You'll see a list of supported networks for USDT. Make sure you choose the same network that your USDT is on in SafePal. For example, if your USDT in SafePal is on the ERC20 network, select ERC20 on Binance. Once you've chosen the right network, Binance will show you a unique deposit address. Be sure to copy this address carefully. Now, we're back in SafePal, ready to send the USDT to Binance. To do that, tap on the Send button. This will open a new screen where you can enter the details for the transfer. Paste the Binance deposit address you copied earlier into the recipient address field. Double-check to make sure the address is correct before proceeding. Sending to the wrong address could result in a permanent loss of funds. Next, enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. If you want to send all of it, you can tap the Max button, and it will automatically fill in your full balance. After entering the amount, you'll need to confirm the network. Remember, it's crucial that the network in SafePal matches the network you selected on Binance earlier. If you choose a different network, the transfer might fail, and your funds could get lost. Once you've confirmed that the address and network are correct, it's time to review the transaction details. Take a moment to double-check everything. This is the final step before sending. When you're ready, hit Confirm. SafePal may ask you to authenticate the transaction, either with your PIN or another method depending on your settings. Complete that, and you're all set. Now the transaction is in progress. It will take a little time for the transfer to be confirmed on the blockchain. The time can vary depending on the network congestion, but usually it should take anywhere from a few minutes to around 30 minutes. Once the transaction is confirmed, you'll see your USDT balance in your Binance wallet. You can navigate to the wallet section of Binance to confirm that the funds have arrived. Before we wrap up, here are a few important tips to keep in mind. Double-check your address. Always verify the deposit address in both SafePal and Binance before sending. One small mistake can lead to a permanent loss of funds. Confirm the network. Make sure you're using the same network, ERC20, TRC20, BEP20, for both SafePal and Binance. Security. Keep your seed phrase safe and never share it with anyone. If someone gets access to your seed phrase, they could access your funds. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your USDT from SafePal to Binance. It's a simple process, but one that requires attention to detail. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.